In this video, I'm going to show you where to find the default Wi-Fi name and password for your Netcomm router. Most routers have a sticker on the bottom or side that displays the default Wi-Fi network name and password. This sticker contains important details about your router. This label displays the default Wi-Fi name, commonly known as the Wi-Fi network name. The Wi-Fi password or key can be found either next to it or beneath it. This is the default Wi-Fi password that comes pre-configured. If a network name is visible and does not require a password, it indicates that the network is not secure. To enhance your security by changing these credentials, take a look at my other video. You can find the link to the video in the description below. If you're having trouble finding your Wi-Fi on the network or if the password isn't correct, you'll need to reset your Netcomm router to its factory default settings. You can find detailed instructions in a video linked in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments.